frosting for kids, so let's show you guys the ingredients. So we have our luster base, we have our alcohol, we have our teaspoon, and we also have our nail polish bottle with, we already put the beads in it.
So we have our cups filled with
We already put alcohol in it.
and our color and
Our
our
mica
the
powder.
mouth.
We are gonna put the masks on when we mess with the mica powder because we don't want to get it in our face. So that's what we're gonna be doing with the mask.
And then we have funnel. It kind of sounds like fun.
And then we have a rag to clean up any mess we make. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to pour our mica powder into our teaspoon. I'm gonna go first. So make sure you open the big side. Okay, that's enough. And then we're gonna pour it in here.
My turn.
And then we're gonna do one more. Okay, now I'm going to mix mine. One. Now that we're done, we're gonna put in our luster base. And our mom's gonna do it for us because we don't know how much to put in. Well, we do, but we don't want to we don't want to put too much in it. So our mom's gonna do that for us.
Oh, wow, that's a beautiful color.
Wow!
My color looks bad. My color looks nice.
Now that we're done mixing it, we're going to get our funnel, but first we need to open up our bottle. And then we put our funnel into here.
What are you?
Oh, we put our funnel in our bottle like that. So we're going to pour this into our bottle. And I'm going to use this. So don't pour too much.
Wow, just wow.
Guys, I'm using my favorite color.
I'm using my favorite color.
My favorite color
Purple.
is turquoise.
My favorite color is purple because
Guys, comment down below what your favorite color is. That's the question of the day. What is your favorite color? Also, we're gonna be having questions of the day in each video so that we can get to know you guys a little bit. So yeah, the question of the day is, what is your favorite color? Mine is turquoise and hers is purple.
also don't forget to
Subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell.
follow us because we're making more videos and you guys can watch us. You can watch the next video of us doing a drawing contest.
So it looks pretty good.
Wow!
It looks cute. Now we're gonna put the cap on and mix it. Like, shake it. Oh. Also, if we didn't tell you, we already put the balls in there.
Yeah,
So make sure you guys put the balls before you do any of this.
Yes, you also can just watch the video or you can follow along.
Yeah, we're done making the nail polish. So this is what our final project looks like. Now we're gonna show you what it looks like on our fingers.
On our nails.
On our nails. We're not gonna put it on our fingers.
That's a blooper.
Now we're gonna show you our final product.
You can't really see.
Okay.
Okay.
So make sure to look out for other videos so that you guys will see other videos that we post and make. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell so you'll get posted on all the new videos that we make and post. So thank you guys for watching. Peace out.